In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change subtitle language on Crunchyroll. Let's get started. First up, launch your Crunchyroll app. Make sure you have already logged in. Next, select the anime you want to watch and start playing an episode. Once the video begins, pause the playback and click or tap the settings icon. Now, select the option Subtitles. You will see a list of available subtitle languages for that episode. Simply choose the language you want to use and the subtitles will update immediately. If you prefer watching without subtitles, you can also select the option to turn them off if it's available for that title. Keep in mind that subtitle languages vary by anime, so some shows may offer more language options than others. If you don't see your preferred language, it may be not available for that particular series or episode. To ensure you have access to the latest subtitle option, make sure your Crunchyroll app is updated to the newest version. So that's it for this video. This is how you can easily change subtitle language on Crunchyroll. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.